I don't get it. It's like you just don't care.
Well, I care, trust me.
I just don't get it.
Can I explain?
Yes.
My wife is dead. You think I'm lying to you? I'm not.
No, I believe everything you're saying, but that doesn't give you the right to just keep driving with no insurance and no plates, and you get arrested, you bond out, you get arrested. You're going to jail for 7 days, starting right now.
I'm going to jail?
Yeah. 25. Yeah, you're going to jail. You don't need any money right now. You just need to go to jail.
Well, 7 days?
Yes. I can make it more if you'd like.
No.
This guy walked into court thinking it'd be a quick slap on the wrist and he'd be back home before lunch. He's got that this won't take long kind of confidence, the kind that disappears the second the judge starts calling your name more than once. What he didn't expect was for the entire courtroom to turn into a long overdue reality check. You can literally feel the tension building as the judge goes through a laundry list of violations. He's been given chance after chance to straighten up, but at some point, the free passes run out. That's when court stops being a minor inconvenience and starts becoming a full-blown wake-up call. So the question is, how many chances should someone really get before the system finally says enough? Let's go ahead and dive in.
Good. I took the 4th of July off and got back to work. I also got sunburn. Yeah. All right, Mr. Crandall, let me see if I can get these in chronological order. I got stopped for driving suspended. Second offense, and filed 25791 ST on April 25th. On that same day, April 25th, he was charged with driving without any valid insurance and filed 25792. Then on April 13th, he was again charged driving without any insurance and driving with a suspended license. That's 25904 SM and 905 ST. Then, just for extra measure, he got a new charge of driving suspended on June 26th and improper play of a registration plate. He hasn't even been arraigned on that charge yet, but I believe the prosecutor is aware of it. So there's a package plea agreement. The defendant is going to plead to one count of driving suspended second offense. And that would be in file 25791 ST. And everything else would get dismissed. Is that your understanding, Mr. Gibson?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm not sure if this new case was part of this. Were you aware of his June 26th case? Oh,
he did. June 26th, you said?
Yeah.
Actually, yeah, I do remember him contacting me about that to inform me of it, but what does that have a file number?
Yes, 25904 SM.
Okay, so it's my understanding that would be part of the package agreement.
All right, one DWLS second to encompass everything. Driving suspended second is a misdemeanor, punishable by up to a year in jail and a fine of up to $1,000. Carries 2 points and requires that your license be suspended. You understand?
I'm sorry. I was talking with my lawyer.
Driving suspended second is a misdemeanor punishable by up to a year in jail and a fine of up to $1,000. You understand?
Yes.
All right, you're going to plead a DWLS second in file number 251241 ST. Dismiss all other files. All right, Mr. Crandall, you heard me go through the rights several times this morning. Do you understand you have those same rights?
Yes.
Did anybody promise you anything to get you to plead to this?
No, they didn't threaten me or anything else, please.
All right, well, let me take a look at your ticket, this particular one. In that case, that was a ticket that you got Michigan Avenue Railroad Drive on April 25th. Driving suspended second, no insurance and improper plate. 11 o'clock in the morning, Michigan Avenue and Railroad Drive right downtown. Where were you going?
Man, this guy's collecting traffic tickets like they're trading cards. You can see the judge flipping through the stack like it's a deck of bad decisions, barely keeping up. None of the violations are major, no DUIs, no reckless driving, just a pile of minor nonsense that's gotten out of control. But here's the thing, in court, patterns matter. When someone keeps breaking the same simple rules, expired tags, no insurance, suspended license, it sends one message, you just don't care. And that's what really pushes judges over the edge. Most people mess up once, fix it, and move on. But if you keep walking and like, yeah, I'll pay it when I pay it, they have no choice but to make sure the lesson sticks. Having insurance isn't optional. It's the bare minimum to be on the road. Because when something goes wrong and you're uninsured, that cost doesn't disappear. It lands on someone else, or worse, the taxpayer. So when the judge finally lays down the hammer, it's not cruelty, it's reality. If you won't learn the easy way, you're going to learn the hard way.
I was trying to check on some mechanic work at the time.
Was your license suspended at that time?
I think it was.
Yeah, in addition to all the ones here, you've got several in Kalamazoo. You got a September 23 case of driving without a license and you failed to pay the fine. No proof of insurance, driving suspended. 3/11 of 18, driving suspended, failed to pay a license 2016. And then these all right in a row. I don't get it. It's like you just don't care.
Well, I care, trust me.
You're driving with no insurance, no plate, and you get pulled over 3 times in 40 days for the same thing.
I have no fines here in this court.
I didn't see any in this thing. Let me look in here. You and I go back a long ways. 2001, driving expired, proper plate.
Do you know if the defendant has any alcohol related?
No, I don't drink.
Okay.
No, I don't think there's driving suspended. You must have 15 driving suspendeds in here, going back to 2001, when I was still prosecutor. You got defaulted on the registration plate, but that's going to be dismissed. I just don't get it. All right.
Can I explain?
Yes.
My wife is dead. She's been dead for 10 years. I'm the only one where I'm at.
Yes, and you told me that when I met you the last time.
Yeah, yes, and it still goes.
Yes. All right. Well,
I got no family.
yes.
You think I'm lying to you? I'm not.
No, I believe everything you're saying, but that doesn't give you the right to just keep driving with no insurance and no plates, and you get arrested, you bond out, you get arrested, come back. They dismissed everything except this one-year offense. They don't want me to put you in jail for 1 year. They give you a $75 crime victims' right fee, a $50 state minimum fee, $125 to by August 31/25. You're going to jail for 7 days, starting right now.
I'm going to jail?
Yeah, yes. You're going to stop driving a car. You owe me $125 by 8/31/25. Yeah, you're going to jail. You got unpaid tickets in Kalamazoo. You must have 12 prior driving suspended charges. You get 3 in 50 days. Yeah, it's time for jail. You've worked your way up this calendar to the top of the list. 7 days in jail, you'll get a day of good time. You owe me $125. When you get out, you can go with the court officer.
Stand up, sir. Put your hands behind your
I
back.
don't have money right now.
You don't need any money right now. You just need to go to jail.
Hands behind your back. And reach your hands further behind your back.
Well, 7 days?
Yes. I can make it more if you'd like.
No.
Let's go, sir.
All right, Mr. Crandall, you're good to
When am
go.
I gonna be able to get out? Just a moment.
You'll get out in 6 days.
What is?
Yes, today's Friday. You'll probably get out next Thursday.
Let's go.
Do you have a pet?
Yeah, I got 3 of them.
All right, we're gonna let you make a phone call or somebody to take care of your pets.
The judge was absolutely right. This guy had zero concern for anyone but himself. He's the kind of driver who treats traffic laws like optional suggestions. You'd think after getting pulled over once or twice, he'd finally sort things out, fix the tags, get insurance, renew his registration, something. But nope, he just keeps cruising like none of it matters. And look, losing his wife is tragic, no doubt. But grief doesn't give you a free pass to put others in danger. If you can't get your paperwork in order, don't drive. The law isn't out to ruin your life. It's there to stop you from ruining someone else's. 7 days behind bars might sound harsh, but sometimes that's what it takes to remind someone what responsibility looks like. So what do you think? Was the judge right to send him to jail, or should he have gotten one last warning? Will this finally make him change, or is he just going to end up back in court again? Let me know what you think down below. And as always, thanks for watching.